Look at that, look at that beautiful Mazda RX-8. Time to own the last of Mazda RX series. So, Mazda, last hope for Mazda to stop producing after this. It's got side SRS bags, front, beautiful manual gearbox. They call it what? Suicide doors. That's just so nice. Advan wheels, very nice leather seat, CD player, CD changer. This is the last of Mazda's RX-8 with sunroof, moonroof, fog light, LED headlight, no, focal headlight, sorry. LED fog lights. So again, Mazda RX-8 rotary potato for you. So yeah, if you're into Mazdas, this is the last of its kind. Everything works, very low mileage. So accident free. This is classic sports. Yep.